Good morning, children. Today we will start with chapter number 11 of science, that is air, water and weather. In your previous class you have learnt about air and water already. Yes, we all know that air is basically full of gases. Yes, it is a mixture of gas, water vapors, germs, dust particles, yes, and many types of gases, yes, like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and many other in small amounts. Yes, so here in this chapter we are basically going to study about air, water and weather. Now see, we all know that air is very important, very necessary for all living things. We all cannot live without air. Why? Because air has carbon dioxide which is taken up by animals and plants, and they exhale out oxygen. And air has oxygen which is taken us by we human beings and animals, and then we exhale out carbon dioxide in the air. So carbon dioxide and oxygen in a way is transferred from plants to human beings or from human beings to plants through air. Yes, so that is why air is very important. You all must have observed, whenever it is not airy, we do not get fresh air, we feel very suffocated and uncomfortable. Yes or no? Same with plants. Plants also require fresh air to grow properly. If there is no fresh air provided to the plants, they will not grow properly. Yes, they will not be able to blossom, they will not be able to grow properly. Okay, so air is a very important component for us. Okay, so now there are few terms in this chapter which we are going to study. So the first topic is air and weather, and in that the first topic is atmosphere. Now what is atmosphere? See, the blanket of air, okay, the blanket of air which surrounds us, which surrounds the earth, is called as atmosphere. Yes, we all say this is our atmosphere, but what does it mean? This means that the air in which we live, the surrounding, the environment, the blanket of air, okay, that is covering us, that is called as atmosphere. Okay, now the next topic is weather. Now what do we understand by weather? See, have you noticed sometimes in a day it becomes sunny, and sometimes in the same day it becomes cloudy or it starts raining. Okay, one day is very sunny and the next day it becomes very cloudy, or maybe the other day it becomes little hot and humid because of the little rain which has come. Okay, so weather is basically the day-to-day condition. Okay, the day-to-day condition of the climate. Like today it's sunny. Yes, but before 2-3 days it was cloudy because there was no sun. We were not able to see the sun. The sun was hidden behind the clouds. So we say that it is cloudy. Yes, when we do not see the sun and when the sun rays does not come to us directly, we say that it is cloudy. And when we can see the sun, when we can feel the sun rays, we say that it is sunny. And when we can feel the sun rays very brightly, yes, like in the summers, we call that it is a bright sunny day. Yes, and when it rains heavily, it's called a rainy day. So the day-to-day condition is called as weather. Clear? Okay. The next is season. Now, when this day-to-day condition remains the same for few days, few months, that becomes a season. Like suppose, which season is going on? Why are we wearing all these woolen clothes? Why are we covering our heads and our body, our legs, toes, everything? Because it is cold. It is winter season going on. Yes? So because of the cold weather, because of the cold waves, we are protecting ourselves wearing woolen clothes. So this is winter. Yes? What happens in summer? Summer, the sun is very hot, very bright. We wear cotton clothes. We try to wear short clothes, light colored clothes. Yes, not very thick one, so that we can keep our body little cool, because already the sun's rays are very bright and we feel very hot during summers. We eat lots of stuff to keep us refreshing, especially juices, fruits. Yes, these are all the things which we eat in summer. We drink cold drinks. Yes, things which keep us cool. So that is summer. And the next is rainy season. We all know that rainy season, almost every day it rains. Almost every day it rains. Yes. Like see, this is winter going on. After winter, what will follow? Summers. And in between there will be spring season. Of course, when it is neither too cold nor too hot. Yes, the season of like Feb, March, April, beginning of April, that is called as spring. Yes, when the flowers blossom, there is greenery everywhere, that is called as spring season. It is neither too cold nor too hot. And then after April, what happens? May, June, they are very hot months. Very, very hot. So that is called as summer season. And then from July it starts raining, or June end it starts raining basically in India. So almost in every part of India it rains. Yes, season is almost same in every part of India, almost. Okay, except few places like in Tamil Nadu, in the southern coastal areas of India, it will rain in the month of December. It depends upon the wind, upon the waves, that you will study later. It rains in the month of December basically. And in those areas in southern part of India, it is not so hot. It is not so cold, sorry, because of the sea, the humidity of the sea. Because the southern part of India is a peninsula, it is surrounded by sea from three sides, we know. Yes, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. So it is hot and humid. It's not so cold in any season. Even in November and December or January, people do not wear woolen clothes. Okay, over there. But contrast to that, in north of India, okay, in the Himalayan region, in the northern plains or in the Himalayan region, what happens? It is very cold throughout the year because of the snow-capped glaciers, because of the snow-capped mountains. It's very cold over there, and especially in the month of December, January, when snow falls over there, it is very, very cold, and it is actually cold throughout the year because of the Himalayan mountains. So this is all about season. In India, basically we have three basic seasons: winter, summer and rainy, along with spring and autumn. Autumn is also there when the summer ends and the winter is about to come. The time of October, okay, September, October, when it is neither too hot, neither too cold. When, sorry, not summer ends, when rainy season ends. Okay, after September, sorry, after August, September and October, these are the months of autumn. Okay, when the leaves shed their trees and the new leaves and the new plants are about to come. So we basically have three seasons: winter, summer and rainy, along with spring and autumn in between. Okay, so I hope you all must have understood this topic, air and weather. What is air and what is weather?